Hello everyone. I know it's been a long time. As you can see, it's like a different background and everything. I just moved and got a new house and everything, and then I've been in school and working full time, so I haven't had time to do anything. But I'm gonna just do a quick little video today. I'm just gonna make a small dinner, nothing big. Just do some steaks on my indoor grill. It's called Chefman, and just some macaroni, nothing too crazy, and maybe a couple of desserts, another type of meat possibly. I would have been done, but I was just feeling sluggish and I'm starting now. Plus I had to do other stuff earlier. So I'm gonna wash my hands and get started and just show you the meal or what I'm doing. I'm not gonna do like a whole tutorial. So yeah, again, I'm gonna wash my hands and get started. Just gonna add all my seasonings. I'm gonna start with seasoning salt. Not a whole lot, just enough. You don't really need that much. I'm just gonna put everything in the bowl and just blend it in. And then this is Longhorn Steakhouse Grill seasoning. I'm just gonna use it just because. Just a little bit of each. Just enough to make the food taste good. A little garlic powder. Some more steakhouse seasoning. And of course some black pepper. And a packet of sazon. And then I just blend everything together. And that should do it, because again, I'm putting it on the grill, and then I'm going to put it in the oven, and it'll turn out nice and juicy. You'll see. Because I did the steaks for the first time on this grill and I wasn't sure how it would turn out, but I put it in the oven and I was not disappointed. So hopefully I get the same outcome. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash the steaks and season them. So this is the amount of seasoning that I will be using. If I need to add more, I will, but again, I don't need too much. But this is the amount of steaks I'm using. I just cut them in half, and so I gotta make sure I have enough, but again, not too much. So the steaks are well seasoned. The lighting does it no justice, but it is well seasoned, so that was more than enough. Now I'm going to show you what I do next with the grill. So this is how the grill looks. In order for it to remain smokeless, I have to fill up the thing to the maximum, because I'm going to probably be doing a lot of searing considering the amount of steaks I have. And if I was going to do, let's say, 1 or 2 steaks, I would just fill it up to the minimal level. But again, because I'm doing quite a few, I'm going to fill it up to the maximum line. So that is what keeps the grill from smoking, because it is smokeless. But again, I have to use the water. And that's what it looks like. It's at the max. You'll see like some smoke when it first starts. That's how it is, like just when it's starting to heat up, but it's just preheating. But it will do that only because it's preheating, so don't be alarmed by it, because I was at first and I'm thinking, oh, this is supposed to be smokeless, but it's completely normal. I'm gonna put this on the grill, and actually it's been a little over 10 minutes, so I'm gonna put the first one on. These are not the best tongs. So I'm going to switch it to high. Wait. And you start to hear a sizzle. Yep, I switched it to high. And it's hard. I don't feel like setting up my tripod and all of that stuff. And I'm going to put the second piece. It looks like I can probably put 3 pieces. These are chuck steaks I'm using. Bone-in. That's the only ones. The last time I made ribeyes and they were real good, but I couldn't find any. So this is what it is. Again, 7 minutes. Juices though. Hold on. That's the juices. Flip the steaks over. That's how it looks. Again, the lighting does it no justice, but you'll see how it looks. 7 minutes. Then I'll show you my next step. That is how the steaks look. They're in the pan, and I just added some onions on the side, and now I'm just going to put about a half cup water, and I'm going to put them in the oven for an hour and 15 minutes for the remaining cook time, covered tightly.